Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Prachi and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle category. So if you are new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you get notification every time I post a new video. So in today's video, since Shivratri is around the corner, I thought why not let's try Parvati look for the transition. And since I was making a transition video, so I thought why not let's record a long form video as well for that. So I have already done my makeup. This is a very basic kind of makeup. I have done my base, put on lipstick, eyeliner, basic eyeliner and some color. You can find this type of video on my channel, so make sure you watch it. And now the main part is curling our hair. So I am on to curling my hairs. So let's start with that. There is already one video on my channel wherein I curl my hairs and try Maggie curls on myself, and it looked absolutely gorgeous. And with time, I am learning how to do it nicely. Onto the look. So firstly, I'm going to be curling my hairs. So for that, I'm going to be using firstly this hair curler. This is from Agaro. Really affordable, works really good. So if you want the link, I will put it down in the description box. Make sure you check it out and get yourself also, because curling your hairs can make really festive hairstyles as well. And also for, I think for Western as well, you can make so many hairstyles. So if you want me to make a video on that, please make sure to comment down below. I will definitely make it. I am going to be using these two products. This is from BBlunt. Both are from BBlunt. Firstly, the Hot Shot Heat Protection Hair Mist, and secondly, BBlunt Hot Shot Hold Spray. These two works really good, and this keeps your hairs on place for really long time, for days actually, until you wash it. So last time I tried it, it really worked really nice. And also this protects your hairs really nicely from any damage. So make sure if you're curling your hairs or putting any sort of heat on your hairs, you use heat protectant, otherwise it will cause damage to your hairs. So yeah. And also after curling, I'm going to be applying this serum. This is from L'Oreal. It's extraordinary oil serum with 6 precious floral oils. Again, for this as well, I will put the link in the description box. Make sure you check it out if you want this. This again works really nice, makes your hairs look really shiny. So I'm going to be applying it on the mid length and ends, not on the scalp, otherwise I will not get that volume, it will flatten it. So yeah, let's start the process. Okay, so I will curl my hairs and will be right back, since I already have a video on my channel on how I curl it. Make sure you watch it if you want a detailed video on curling, because if I do it again, it will be a really lengthy process. So yeah, I will quickly curl my hairs and will be right back. And I'm done curling my hairs. I will just roughly open this up and put some setting spray and put some serum, and we'll be done. And then we will proceed with our outfit and all those stuff. I will be right back with all the finishing touches on my curls. Okay, so for the outfit, I have these two sari option. One is this one in green something, and one is this with cream color and some pattern going on in this. But if these two doesn't work out while wearing, I'm thinking to go with white, do some jugaad. I will just wear what do we call this, boat neck tank, and put a dupatta here and wear some jewelry. So let's see if I can drape this nicely and accessorize well. Then I will go with any one of these, otherwise that jugado thing we will do. And I will be right back again. Okay, so I have put this sari on and put this neck piece on. I know this is not the final look. You guys should also know this is not the final look. So I watched a tutorial on YouTube how to drape sari without using any blouse. So this is how earlier women used to wear sari. So I have draped it in this style, and now I have also done one jugaad using one pendant and the 2 ear chains. So I have created this mang tika. Let's see if it works or not. I'm really hoping that it looks good or great enough to work out this look. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I have used these 2 ear chains and this one pendant, and I have tied it here using a thread, and I am thinking to wear it like this, but I don't think it's working out as the way I was thinking it to work out. Okay, so let's see what else we are going to use to jewel up ourselves. I will be right back. Okay, so I am back and I'm done jeweling up. I have put on this choker and this one more neck piece and these ear chains, and that DIY I guys showed you didn't work out, so I just put on this Mantika straight up, and I'm going to be wearing nose pin after I do my bindi and all the finishing touches. So I will just do my bindi again and I will be right back. I am not doing it on camera because I might mess it up, and we don't have time to mess it up. So let's do it real quick, and also I might take help from my sister. So let's do it real quick. Okay, so I am done with all the finishing touches. I have took my sister's help to get this bindi done, and here, and I have worn some bangles, put this neck piece on my arm and here as well to bring out that whole complete look. And since at home I didn't had alta, so I have put on this bindi on my hands to bring that element of alta. So yeah, this is how the complete looks look. Let me know in the comments down below how you guys like it, and if you like it, make sure to comment down below and appreciate me and tell me what all looks I should try more. And I will see you next time in my next video. Till then, thank you for watching guys, and bye bye.